Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode on our channel. On this video, allow me to take you with me in my favorite place in the north, its own surfing capital, La Union. For this trip, magdi-DIY lang tayo and it's going to be a budget trip. So samahan niyo akong pumunta ng La Union on a budget. So we are here in Partas Terminal here in Aurora, Cubao, and dito tayo manggagaling papunta ng La Union. Their buses leaves at 2 a.m. So it's 12 a.m. now, medyo maaga tayo para makakuha tayo ng magandang seat sa bus, and it's for 648 pesos. Papunta na ng San Juan, La Union yon. And yung process nila dito is bibigyan kayo ng stub like this. And pag tinawag yung number nyo, doon pa lang kayo makakapag-purchase ng ticket. So hindi pa rin tayo sure kung anong oras tayo makakaalis. Hey guys, we are inside the bus already. So it's 1:21 now and it's almost 2 hours or more ng pagdating natin dito sa Cubao, and that's the waiting time. So I really suggest na pumunta kayo dito ng maaga, and I'm really so happy sa bus na to guys kasi meron kang entertainment and nasa harap kami, so I'm really cool with that. And I'm with Gringa and Mike nandun. Hey guys, it's 4:30 already and we are now here in Rosario, La Union. Malapit na tayo guys, around 30 minutes na lang. Nasa San Juan na tayo, and actually this is a good stopover spot para mag-CR and also para mamili ng food if you want. So, tara! You always let me know. You always let me go my way. You always let me know. You never let it show my teeth. But we're already here guys. Super excited ako mag-explore sa Elyu. After 4 years nakabalik, hindi, 3 years nakabalik tayo because the last time I was here before pandemic, actual before lockdown. So tara, check muna natin sa pag-i-stay natin kung pwede mag-iwan ng gamit, and then mag-aalmusal tayo. So we're staying for the first day sa Charlie's Hangar. So let's go! You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby, make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby, make the same when I'm on my own. Guys, we are here in Charlie's Hangar. Ito is sa mga favorite kong pag-i-stay dito sa La Union because super lapit lang sa beach. Ito yung dulo ng Urbiztondo beach, and ang ganda ng entire vibe niya dito, and mas pinaganda pa siya compared nung pumunta tayo kasi dati hindi pa masyadong ganito itsura niya. Plain lang to, and ngayon marami ng mga upuan. Siguro masaya yung nightlife dito, and yung gusto ko dito is itong pagiging hangar niya kasi may mga planes talaga dito. So ang check-in is 2 p.m. pa, so magbe-base lang tayo and then we'll head out for breakfast, tapos doon na rin tayo sa labas magla-lunch, and yeah, let's see kung ano pwede natin magawa. But for now, mag-change lang tayo. Let's go! Hey guys, so since nag-early check-in tayo, mapapakita ko agad sa inyo yung room, but hihinaan lang natin kasi may ibang naka-check-in, and this is a hostel guys. Again, this is for 750 pesos per bed per pax. So if dalawa kayo, 1,500. If apat kayo, 3,000. So ganito yung itsura niya sa loob guys. Bed lang talaga siya. Then you can close it if you want. here at El Union Coffee. This is one of the best coffee shops here in La Union, and some says it's overrated, but for me, it's all good. So try natin. Let's go!
Last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but
our order is here. Mabilis lang siyang sinerve, so I got dirty horchata. This is how it looks like. It's a toasted rice coffee with cinnamon, so it's a traditional coffee here. And yeah, I'm really so excited to try it. So, toast! To be honest guys, I really like it because I like cinnamon, but if you're not into it, just like my friends who are not into cinnamon drinks, maybe you can skip this one, pero I like the horchata. It's kind of a nice experience to have something na, kasi di ba, yung coffee natin usually from coffee beans. Ito talagang from rice na tinutong, tapos ginawang coffee. Napapanood ko lang siya sa mga vlogs ng mga nasa probinsya, but now I get to try it, so it's really nice.
Masarap. Mas preferred ko to kaysa sa dirty. Yeah, I'm not into cinnamon.
How would you describe yung pagka-cold brew niya? Overnight ba siyang binroll?
Hindi ako familiar sa ganun.
Di ba ganun yung cold brew, overnight na binabroll?
Ah, okay. Now I know. Pero hindi ko kayang
How does it differ from hot brew?
malamig siya.
What did you get, Mike?
Pakawin mo ganun.
Ice mocha.
Ice mocha, how was it?
Okay lang. Hindi ko naman alam pinagkaiba ng mga ice mocha since ice mocha lang naman yung flavor.
Hey guys, we are done with our coffee and we're pumped. Ready tayo for the day, but let's check out yung El Union Coffee merch store nila. Kasi parang ang ganda ng mga shirts nila. So let's go! Yung colors ng shirts nila. Merong brown, green, tapos red. But I think I like the green one. You know? Alright guys, for lunch, since nandito na tayo sa Tavern, let's have some lunch here sa Kermit na sunod yung gusto natin. Papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng Kermit dito sa La Union para makompare nyo rin siya sa Kermit dun sa Siargao. So tara!
what's it like inside your mind, my dear? And do you find it terrifying? You always let me know. You always let me go my way.
Our food is here, so we have truffle pasta, and then yung 4-cheese pizza natin, and then pan-seared tuna katulad nung in-order namin sa Isla Cocina sa Siargao. So, tara, kain na tayo. Sarap, try mo. Ang sarap. Lasa mo na agad yung truffle pasta. Ang na-notice ko medyo oily siya compared sa usual.
Emergency daw. Dati pa napautang ko ng mga tukay na kagaya na.
Ang sarap niya guys.
Utang na, dilan chocolate na nga.
Wala siyang
Dati namin kaklase.
other ingredients aside from the truffle and yung pancetta. But it's really good. It works for me.
Nung hindi pa masyadong sikat yung Ben and Ben, hindi pa may sarap. Pinapromote niya.
You can taste the tomato. What flavor is this?
Yun yung lagi nila.
But then I can taste something sour.
Yung nanay.
Yeah, maybe that's tomato sauce. It's not, even though,
you recommend Kermit?
yeah, it's not starchy. The dough is not that starchy and it's good. It's not that thin because I don't like thin pizzas. So,
The body follows.
yeah, good.
Ewan ko, sa vibe kasi ako bumabase, hindi sa pagkain eh. Oo. Except the music.
Ano siya, medium well yung pagkakaluto talaga. So malambot lang, hindi malalat. Tapos Yung salad kanina masarap din actually. Pero yung couscous kasi hindi ako masyadong fan ng couscous talaga. Pero masarap siya. Hindi lang ako fan.
Hey guys, look what we've got. Another cap. So we got a bucket hut this time. Super ganda niya. And thank you kila ate. Medyo busy pa sila ate. So by the time na in-upload natin to, wala na sila. But catch them sa mga lugar kasi nakita natin sila sa Siargao. Meron din sila dito. So yeah. Hey guys, it's the most beautiful time today here in La Union. And we are going out to witness the beautiful sunset and the beautiful afterglow. I'm going to show it to you later, so tara, samahan niyo ako.
Did you fall a long way down? The only one this town has found for me. You got something I can't afford to lose. I'm running over under the sky blue. You pull me closer and meet my view. My view. There's no one like you. Yeah. There's no one like you.
If you're gonna ask me guys kung saan yung pinakamagandang sunset dito sa North, I will answer you no doubt dito sa La Union. And actually, if buong Pilipinas pa nga yung pinag-uusapan, La Union has the best sunset. I've seen one in Boracay, sobrang ganda. La Union is equally beautiful, and ang pinakamaganda dito guys, yung afterglow niya, yung kulay pink na sun, it's so beautiful. It's unmatched. Hi guys, so we're here. And parang ang sarap din mag-sunset surf, pero try natin tomorrow. But for now, yan. Tampisaw lang tayo. Woo! Let's go! Hi guys, we are just chilling here. It's almost 6:30 and I really love the sunset of La Union. And if I can share some thoughts with you, I'd like to share about my experience traveling with friends, having traveled alone for the longest time. The things that I learned is that number one, you have to learn how to compromise. Things will not always go your way. Like kung gusto mong pumunta sa Kabsat pero ayaw nung iba, hindi laging ikaw yung masusunod. Pwede pumunta ka mag-isa doon, but at the end of the day, you have to know that the purpose of traveling with friends is to have fun together. And yeah, you have to compromise sometimes.
Whatever's out of your control, no matter how hard you want to control, no matter how hard you badly want to make it work,
It doesn't always go your
it doesn't always go your way, and you have to be okay with it. So yeah.
Hey guys, it's 7:05 a.m. now and we're prepping for dinner, and also it's a Friday night, so it's fun to go out and party some because La Union nightlife is young, it's a vibe, it's fun. And don't worry guys, I'm going to take you with me sa party natin, and I will try my best para ma-capture yung mga fun moments. But for now, mag-prep lang tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo itsura ng Capsule Hostel. Here's a very helpful night light. So even if the curtain is closed, you still have a light source, and it's really cool guys.
Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre hay fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos.
Kain tayo. Sarap. Ang sarap ng barbacoa. Parang siyang tunay na corned beef. Ganon. I really like it. Sausaw natin dito. I like it. Ang sarap. Let's have the gut rice naman. Ang tawag pala dito is arroz la Gringa. So, Mexican rice, guacamole, lettuce, beans, pickled red onion, fresh salsa, tapos pipili ka ng choice mo ng protein, and I got chicken. Yan. Lasang wood. Lasang wood. Okay naman, malamig nga lang talaga. We are done eating here sa La Gringa. Masarap yung kinain natin yung gut rice. And favorite ko yung tacos nila, yung barbacoa, yung beef. Super sarap niya guys. And for its price, okay naman I think. Ang con lang is they don't have service water, so I have to get water dito sa OnlyFans. And yun, medyo malamig. Actually malamig. Malamig sinaserve yung rice meal. And it would help siguro if mainit, I'm not sure. Pero masarap siya in fairness. Ang fresh ng lasa niya and it screams Mexican. So it's really good. Anyway, puntan tayo sa Flotsam guys kasi mag-start na. And guys, mahaba yung pila dito mamayang gabi or maya-maya. Hahaba na yung pila niyan. Actually ngayon, may mga pila na. But yeah, tara! So we got chicken and french fries. Maingay guys kasi may trivia game ngayon.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright.
No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still in mine.
Hey guys, we are at our accommodation already. We are back here in our capsule room. And super hininaan ko lang yung boses ko guys kasi tulog na yung iba. And super nag-enjoy ako sa ating night out. I highly recommend if you're into drinking na try nyo yung nightlife sa La Union and sa Tavern. Pinaka nag-enjoy ako. So this day has been tiring and so much fun. Ang sarap mag-chill dito sa La Union. And samahan nyo pa rin ako tomorrow as we explore the beautiful Elyu. Good night!
Together